Escape the 9 to 5, how to achieve financial independence quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through my signature 3-step system to retire early. These are the exact to help reach financial independence within 5 years. Be sure to stick around until the end, as I'll reveal my top resource for securing the money systems and tools needed for lifelong financial freedom. For those meeting me for the first time, my goal is to equip you with the financial know-how to manage and invest wisely, setting you up for lifelong security. If that resonates, hit the like button and let's jump in. Step 1. Determine your financial freedom number. Passive income examples include rental earnings from real estate, royalties from books or licensed work, website ad revenue, dividends, private mortgage interest, and profits from vending or ATM machines. How much passive income do you need to be financially independent? Enough to cover your expenses, right? Step 1 to becoming financially free is determining the amount of passive income required to support your ideal lifestyle. You might consider creating 3 financial freedom scenarios: basic, comfortable, and luxurious. Setting only a luxury goal like owning vacation homes or a private island can feel overwhelming. Conversely, aiming too low may lack excitement or motivation. Step 2. Buy assets that generate passive income. How do you know when you're financially ready to retire? When your passive income exceeds your expenses. This is exciting because you don't necessarily need millions. Once you know your target, your focus shifts to generating sufficient passive income to cover your expenses. And just like that, you're financially free and able to retire early. Rethinking. Retirement age. It's not about how much you make. We're often led to believe that retirement happens at 65, but reaching financial freedom has more to do with strategic actions than with age or income. As Warren Buffett famously stated, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. He's talking about passive income, so what if you don't want or can't work indefinitely? That's where passive income becomes essential. The key to early retirement is balancing passive income with expenses. The IRS defines passive income as earnings from business or trade activities in which you don't directly participate. Finding the balance, enough and then some, in your money or your life, by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. There's a diagram that highlights the link between money and fulfillment. The peak of this curve is labeled enough and then some, the point of maximum happiness from finances. Lowering expenses is essential for financial freedom, but only up to a reasonable point. Determine what enough and then some looks like for you. Step 3. Create passive income assets from scratch. So, how do you increase your passive income? This leads us to the second step of our approach. Once you've clarified your financial freedom vision and income needs, the next move is to acquire assets that yield passive income. If you already have money to invest, you might purchase a duplex to rent out, buy stocks or index funds, or invest in assets like gold or cryptocurrency. Passive income doesn't always appear as regular checks. Asset appreciation also counts. This is sometimes called the golden goose model, where you're growing an asset that in turn generates income. For some, financial freedom may come sooner than expected by adopting this model. If you have funds, the next step is identifying assets that fit your risk tolerance. Increasing your financial knowledge can help you invest wisely without risking your hard-earned money. The advantages of age and compound interest. Now let's consider how age factors into wealth building. Younger people have the benefit of compound interest on their side. But if you're older, you bring experience, skills, knowledge, connections, and credibility, all of which can contribute to wealth building. No matter where you are, the best time to start is now. Compound interest is powerful. The earlier you start, the better. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. Building passive income when you have little or no money. What if the golden goose model alone isn't enough to secure financial freedom in 5 years? That's where step 3 comes in. Here you create passive or semi-passive income streams with minimal upfront costs by leveraging your time, energy, and creativity instead. For instance, you could start a drop-shipping e-commerce business where a fulfillment center manages inventory and shipping. With the right marketing system, this can become a mostly passive income stream. Alternatively, you could become an affiliate for a platform, earning ongoing commissions, or start a YouTube channel to generate ad revenue once eligible for monetization. Want to learn more? Like and subscribe to our channel.